Hello, Richard.
Hello.
We are going to talk to you today about the difference between open and proprietary. So you have an idea of how AI can serve you the best. Both are good, but only one is going to fill your wallet. One will help you in the sales process. One will actually help you make the sale. And that's what you want because you've got a quota or you have a business and you want to up that business in a way that will give you more profit. So you want to up your business and we're going to help. We will make it happen so you can up yours.
That's pretty good. So a lot of this topic came up, and we're picking up from our last video around the use of the term proprietary and why is it valuable for you guys. It's not just proprietary for Jeffrey because his content is it's copyrighted.
Yeah.
And I think it could be easily misunderstood. So that's why I wanted to go into it in a little bit of depth. Generally, obviously, you're here because Jeffrey's resonates, his experience, his knowledge, all of his writings. He's somebody that you come to for advice, for help.
Right. He's not full of shit. I mean, that's the easiest way.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way to describe it. And he's New York City trained, but globally experienced.
Right. And so instead of getting a generalized answer, you trust that Jeffrey has really good answers that are going to help you in your career. That's when he says make money. It doesn't mean people can still make money with ChatGPT. It saves them time. It helps them do other things. That's making money essentially.
Yeah.
But what you're talking about is making sales faster, more effectively, more efficiently, etc.
Right. And building relationships and getting reorders and getting referrals.
And just being a salesperson, being a successful person in your career. And so when we talk about proprietary, it's the difference between a generalized answer or Jeffrey's experience and knowledge. And so I made an analogy when we were just catching up before this, that if you go to grad school, or maybe you're in college and you want to study psychology, and you can take a 101, the professor knows a lot about, or knows a little bit about a lot of people's philosophy, right, or psychology. And so you might study Immanuel Kant, and you might study this person, that. It's a 101. It's a gloss over of all of it. If you want to get your PhD in one particular, Immanuel Kant, and you want to go really, 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 really deep, and you're at Harvard, you have the guy that studied under him. Well, probably not because he'd be really old, but
right.
But somebody who knew more about him than anybody. His father studied under him. He was the best resource. Then that would be the best place to get specialized knowledge. The only thing better than that is the guy. If we could get
correct,
Immanuel Kant back, right?
Exactly.
Well, what we're talking about is at the level of the guy, right? So you're not studying the guy who knows Jeffrey and spent his lifetime with Jeffrey and worked under him. The AI is making it possible to get Jeffrey, and it may be better because it knows more, it remembers more,
it knows everything.
It knows everything.
Listen, I've written 17 books. I've written 16 ebooks. I've blogged 1,000 times. I have 1,000 videos on YouTube. You think I remember where that stuff is?
Right.
No. But AI not only knows where it is, it's categorized it to a point where it's incredibly, it's its own library.
Correct. But and you touched on it. So there's the answer. I think there's three parts. There's the answer, there's the where to come from. Because if you're going to say, if you're going to help a salesperson make money, saving them time is incredible.
They need insight as well.
Right. Well, you need the answer, you need insight, you need to improve. But just if you could say, I'm going to give you 10 3-minute snippets of videos that are within my 1,253 that I know we have already ingested.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to take 10 minutes or 30 minutes and I'm going to get all these little pieces. I mean, that's incredible on the topic that I want.
Yeah.
And then if I change my mind,
hold on. And in an instant.
Yeah.
Like it's your library catalog that's available to you and you don't have to do shit. You don't have to even look up where it came from. Just ask me.
Right.
And it'll happen.
Right. And
I'm going to use it.
Yeah. That's pretty good. But I think that's, drilling into the value of that, of how concisely can you get the answer? First of all, how accurate is the answer? That's a big deal.
Yeah.
Accuracy is not a parameter that OpenAI really cares that much about.
Well, they don't brag about it either because they know.
Well, the disclaimer on their website says, like, we make stuff up, we hallucinate, don't trust anything we've said. I mean, just go look it up.
It's like Wikipedia.
It's a wonderful, it's a wonderful quote. But it's in fact fantastic and incredibly entertaining. But if you want accuracy and attribution, it's a different problem to solve.
The question is, can you turn this answer into money? And that's what a salesperson wants to know. Like, I want to give me information because I'm going out to make a big sales. It could be $100,000. It could be $500,000. It could be $10,000. But whatever it is, you want an answer that's going to guide you to a yes. Yes, a wonderful alternative to no. And that's your challenge. That's what's going to give you the reasoning. And once you have that insight, you can use it again. And you can go deeper. It'll take you to anything I've ever said on that particular topic.
Right.
And you'll get even, if you want an education, you're going to get one. But if you want an answer, you're going to get one of those too.
Right. And it's incredibly intuitive. There's a difference between having something that's fast, that has the amount of information and this accuracy. This is not a trivial thing to build.
No, no.
It's only took a few $100 million from, our technology partners.
And the smartest people on the planet. And understand that this proprietary platform isn't for people like me. It's for the CIA. It's for the Pentagon. It's for Dell Computer. It's for people that need to guard their information with their life, but still want to give their information to others who need it or want to use it. That's why I've created the subscription model. So you can have access to me 24/7 on your phone, on your laptop, wherever the hell you are, on an airplane, and give you the answers that you need to either prepare or while you're doing it. I mean, can you imagine being in a sales conversation with a CEO and say, hey, just a second, I have to ask Jeffrey a question. Yeah. Hey, Jeffrey, this guy's a cheap bastard and I can't quite get past it. And think about that. You can ask me anything, anytime, and it's going to give you an answer. The person that you're talking to is going to be blown away by the fact that you can get the answer and more likely to be more deeply. How'd you find that out? How do my people find that out?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
But by the way, we can either confirm or deny that those were actual customers.
They're true. But listen, the bottom line is, I'm here to help you make more sales and turn those sales into profitable, turn those sales into money, turn those sales into quota achievement, or even making the president's club. Because that's where you really want to be. You want to be a sales winner, not a sales whiner, or even a sales wiener. And so you have to look at this from a standpoint of, how can this help me, you, and how do you benefit from it? And the answer is coming shortly, because we're going to have a demo, I'd say within a week or two, that will show you exactly how it's used. And if you haven't signed up yet, gitomersales.ai, if you haven't signed up for that yet, something's drastically wrong. But you'll see there's going to be a mad rush. And the bonuses and the benefits are going to come for the first 1,000 people that sign up. Be one of them. Get the badge.
Right.
And
well, and you bring that up. I think it's important. So people have asked, like, why would you talk about this before you're showing the demo? Why would you let the cat out of the bag? There's a very important part of that, which is we created this Circle 100 Club, and those are, you get your number, what number were you on the sign up?
Yeah, exactly.
You get all kinds of extra stuff, and that's for a very specific reason. We want you as insiders. We want you as people that are going to be able to experience it, work with us, test it, see how it works before the rest of the world. So getting that insight.
Send me a video with 1 minute's worth of, what did you get out of this? How did it value you? How did you achieve this information? How did it surprise you? And then give me 2 words about what you think about this platform once you've experienced it. That's what I need from this. I'm offering you deals because I want social proof. And I want this to basically flood the internet so that I get subscribers from all over the world.
And we want to remember the process, right?
Yeah. Oh, remember, this will not just answer you in audio and text. This will answer you in any language. So be aware of the fact that no matter where you are, if you have a friend in Swahili, send it to him. Does it talk Swahili?
I think so.
Okay, cool. In the meantime, Thanks for being here at this moment. I will talk to you before you know it. We'll be doing more shows like this, so just to educate you on the capability of the process. Stay tuned and stay safe.